Let's go ahead and walk out one more time, and then we're gonna hold. So whatever your range is in the walkout, hold it there. We're gonna do some crazy push-ups like this, bending those elbows and then straightening them out. Ooh, that is a big stretch through my forearms here. So think about the scapular push-ups you did. You wanna avoid the scapular push-up when you do this full arm push-up. Trying to keep the shoulder blades as wide as possible when you bend those elbows. So not collapsing to bend the elbows. Let's do about 2 more like this. Oof. 1 more. And then go ahead and walk those hands back. Let's take a wrist break here. We're gonna do something I call bingo spinner. So the tips of the fingers go together. You're gonna just lightly press in so they stay together. And then we're just gonna shake like a bingo spinner. I think that's the best, closest image I can come up with. Other than, I don't know, maybe like an ice cream spinner. Since it is summer after all, we're gonna do this just for a few more seconds. And then we're moving on to our next series.